This cordless screwdriver set was given to me by the seller for my consideration. I am so happy to receive it because a girl's got to have her tools. And I love the way this thing looks. It is sleek, it is lightweight, and it's got all the attachments a girl needs to get the job done. Everything attaches very easily and conveniently, and I love the variety of the screwdriver heads that they provide. This arrived just in time because I had a small bathtub project that I needed to finish up, and this is going to help me out. Okay, this is the direction. Oh, that's cool. There's like a little light in there. Awesome. Let's just go test this out right now. It easily charges with a USB-C charging cord. Green light when you're ready to go. It works perfectly out of the box. Super convenient, and I love this little carrying case to keep it in.